In this video, we're gonna learn how to download the Hayvee mobile application and how to create a company in the app. So first open any browser and search hayvee.com. When you search hayvee.com, it will gonna open our website where you can see there are two buttons. One is for the iOS user and the other one is for Android user. To download the iOS application, you can simply click on this Apple icon, and for Android user, you can click on this Play Store button. As I am on the iOS device, I can simply click on this Apple icon, which will redirect me to the Apple App Store, basically, where I can simply click the download button and I can download the Hayvee mobile application in my device. Once it's downloaded, you can simply open it and you will be gonna redirect to the login page. Here, there are two buttons. One is for login and the other one is for create account. If you are a field crew, make sure do not create account because you will not gonna see the work order assigned to you. So if you're a field crew, just confirm your username with the admin of the company and you can simply log in with your username and the password. And if you forget your password, just simply click the forget password button and reset your password. As this tutorial is for admin and managers, you can basically the owner of the company who will gonna set up the company profile in here. You can simply click on the create account and it will gonna ask you a few questions. Basically, what's your company name? You can simply put your company name, your first name, your email address, your phone number. Phone number is optional, but if you put the phone number, it's very easy for us to call you back if you need any support or if you have any questions or concern about the app. And then you can simply put the password in here and you can create the account. Once you click creating an account, it will gonna ask you to verify your email address. Just open your email address and make sure to look into the spam folder as well. So my verification code is 512082. I can simply verify my code. Once I verify the email, it will gonna ask me to re-log in again. And then I need to simply put the email address. And I can click on the sign in button. If you're logging in like very first time, it will gonna ask you to create your company. Here you can upload the logo of your company and your company name, your email address, your phone number, your address. So here only the company name is the required field, but if you want to show your email address, phone number, and the address on the invoice and the bid letterheads, then you can simply put your email address, phone number, and address in here, and it will gonna show all this data on the invoice and bid letterheads. Here you can simply select the time zone and create your company. Once you create your company, you will be gonna redirect to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. Once you create your company, it will automatically gonna give you the trial for 14 days. So you don't need to add your credit card details in here. But after 14 days, if you wanna keep using it, you have to open your web portal, which is app.hayvee.com, where you can put your credit card and activate your subscription. But for next 14 days, every feature is unlocked. You can add up to 5 users in it. And we're gonna learn more about Hayvee mobile application in next videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.